What's up guys, it is Eric from Verus Engineering and we have an exciting new product for the Supra. It has been asked by multiple people that we come up with a gas cap solution. This is a really neat unit, machined, anodized, laser engraved, all in the United States, machined and laser engraved in-house. And these are really neat little parts that, that we make and produce. Really neat feature about our product is that there requires no tools and no double-sided tape to install it. It basically clips on, and then it has a feature that basically sets it in place with the factory gas cap. It's basically part of the gas cap at that point. It's going to be very difficult for you to get it off if you do install one of these. So just letting that be known. All right guys, we're at the rear of the Supra, and this is probably a familiar sight, at least I hope for most of you, because most of you guys fill up with gas. That's how easy it is to get to the gas cap. We have our unit here, and basically it basically just pushes on. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna check real quick to make sure you guys can't put it on. So it doesn't matter which way you put the gas cap on. Either way, you can basically align the logo however you want and you see fit. So to install this unit, you grab it and then you push it on. That's all there is to it. And then it is literally part of the cap. I'm pulling on the gas neck pretty hard. I don't want to pull much harder, but it's basically done. That's how simple it is to install. We'll probably grab some pictures of the unit in both ways, but otherwise the install is finished. All right guys, that concludes the gas cap install. Overall, really simple install. I hope you guys enjoyed this riveting install, but there it is. We got to get back to work on making some new products for the Supra. Till next time. Oh, we're also going to be track testing the gas cap here shortly. I'll let you know what it does to get to lap times, but it probably improves it significantly. So those of you looking for lap times or improved drag times, this is the product for you.